Hello, everybody. Welcome to Lou's World. I'm here in a bar, I guess, with some friends, and I guess for the third time in my life, I'm going to try some beer. That's the name of the place we are in, Le Trois Brasseurs à Antibes. Merci, Gloria. So I'm going to try to drink beer again. Can I show you your glass? This is Maria Teresa's glass. This is mine. So, let me give it a try again.
It's very easy. It's very soft.
Okay.
Very easy to drink.
It's horrible. Now, there's a reason why I don't like beer. So yeah, I gave it a try. I know beer's not for me, so
Yes.
I confirm it. But I'm going with this Kier.
Or champagne.
Wait, cassis and champagne. I'll send you. I'll put in the descriptions a recipe on how to make this. So again, thanks for watching my video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.